Hey everyone, Dave Novak, Prevention Pest Control. So we are coming off 95-degree days. Had a whole string of those here in late June. Bees are way ahead of schedule. So we're at one of our customers that called earlier today. Here we show up, and I want to show you this light fixture. Show up, and inside that light fixture we've got a bald-faced hornet nest. And if you can see, they actually built onto the bottom of the actual light bulb itself. And they are making their own home inside that light. Good job, Pat. You actually got close to that. I'm actually proud of you. I'm giving Pat holding the camera a hard time because that's not his thing. But let me see. I'm going to grab it from him, see if I can get a little closer just to show you guys what's going on there. If you look up there, there it is. So they basically have taken that light right on the bulb, and they are making their nest inside that light. So one of the things I wanted to fire the camera up and show you guys is this is that time of year they can pop up out of anywhere. So hose reels, the boxes that the hoses go in, things that you normally would just grab and use every day and not think about, you almost have to start looking at it. Had one 2 days ago, a grill cover. They hadn't used their grill in a while. They took the grill cover off, big nest in there. Next thing you know, they were getting stung, and it was inside the bottom of the grill cover, between the cover and the actual top of the grill. So I hate to say, and I'm normally not a guy that says a mild winter, oh my God, we're gonna have bad problem with bees and all that. It's normally the opposite. But if you think about it, we're in year 2024 here in Northeast Ohio. We've really had 3 mild winters in a row. And I honestly think this year we're starting to see the ramifications of that. Like I said, this is normally something I wouldn't see for another month, but it's here. If it's something you see, don't mess around with something like that. Trust me, especially if you're allergic to bees, just call us. 234-571-1203. Prevention Pest Control. Check us out, preventionpestcontrol.net. You can see our videos there on our YouTube channel, podcast is there, all kinds of things. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. We'll see you next time.